Cork, Ireland unfolds as a city where ancient history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking scenery blend into an unforgettable travel experience. In this video, we're exploring the 7 best things to do in Cork, beginning with some of the region's most iconic landmarks and ending at one of Ireland's most beautiful university campuses. The journey starts at Blarney Castle Gardens, where centuries-old stone walls rise above rolling green landscapes and legends come alive. From mystical gardens to the famous Blarney Stone, every corner feels like stepping into a storybook. Next, the path leads to the atmospheric Cork City Gaol, a fortress-like prison that immerses visitors in Ireland's dramatic past through lifelike scenes, haunting corridors, and powerful stories. We continue to the stunning St. Finnbar's Cathedral, explore the lively streets of Cork on foot, experience the craft of Irish whiskey at Clonakilty Distillery, and wander through the peaceful beauty of Fitzgerald Park. Finally, the adventure reaches the historic grounds of University College Cork, where nature, architecture, and academic heritage meet. This is Cork, captivating, historic, and full of discovery. Let's get started. Number 7. Blarney Castle Gardens. The walk begins along a lush path leading toward Blarney Castle, its ancient stone walls rising above the emerald landscape. Built over 6 centuries ago, the fortress carries an unmistakable sense of mystery and legend. Birds circle the towers while ivy climbs along weathered stones, creating a scene straight out of a storybook. Inside, narrow stairways twist upward toward the famous Blarney Stone. Visitors lean back to kiss the legendary slab, hoping to gain the gift of eloquence, a tradition that has drawn travelers from around the world. Stepping back outside, the gardens reveal a completely different kind of magic. Winding trails cross through forests, flower beds, and peaceful streams. The poison garden showcases fascinating, yet dangerous, plants from global folklore, while the fern garden surrounds visitors with towering green canopies. Farther along, the tranquil lake walk and the mystical rock close create moments filled with charm, ancient stones, and tales of druids and fairies. Blarney Castle Gardens blends history, nature, and legend into an unforgettable experience. Number 6. Cork City Gaol. The path leads toward Cork City Gaol, a striking fortress-like structure that immediately sets a dramatic tone. Its high stone walls and Gothic windows hint at the stories once held inside. Stepping through the entrance feels like traveling back to the 19th century, when the building operated as one of Ireland's most formidable prisons. Dimly lit corridors stretch ahead, lined with recreated cells that bring the past to life. Wax figures depict prisoners and guards, capturing daily routines marked by strict rules, silence, and hardship. Echoes of footsteps, creaking doors, and distant voices enhance the immersive experience. Information panels share tales of inmates, from petty criminals to political prisoners, revealing the realities of justice and punishment in earlier times. The women's wing adds another layer of history, highlighting the struggles faced by female inmates. Moving into the governor's quarters, elegant rooms contrast sharply with the harsh prison cells, offering a glimpse into social divides of the era. Cork City Gaol blends architecture, storytelling, and atmosphere to create a powerful journey through Ireland's past. Number 5. St. Finnbar's Cathedral. Rising above Cork with dramatic elegance, St. Finnbar's Cathedral immediately captures the eye with its soaring spires and intricate Gothic Revival design. The exterior glows with warm limestone and detailed carvings, each element telling a story rooted in faith, craftsmanship, and centuries of Irish history. Stepping inside, the atmosphere shifts to quiet reverence, Sunlight pours through vibrant stained glass windows, casting colorful patterns across the stone floors. Every panel illustrates biblical scenes and symbolic imagery, creating a breathtaking visual tapestry. The high vaulted ceilings and ornate arches amplify both sound and space, surrounding visitors with a grand sense of awe. A closer look reveals hand-carved wooden choir stalls, golden decorations near the altar, and the magnificent pipe organ that fills the cathedral with rich, resonant music during services. Each corner carries a unique detail, from mosaic floors to angel sculptures perched high above. Outside, the cathedral grounds offer peaceful pathways and stunning views of the spires reaching toward the sky. St. Finnbar's Cathedral stands as one of Cork's most inspiring architectural masterpieces. Number 4. Walking in Cork. The streets of Cork unfold with a unique charm, blending historic architecture, lively markets, and cozy cafes. Starting along St. Patrick's Street, the main shopping thoroughfare, colorful shop fronts and bustling crowds create a vibrant, energetic atmosphere. The aroma of freshly baked bread and roasted coffee drifts from nearby cafes, inviting a slow stroll. Turning onto the side streets, narrow lanes reveal hidden gems, ancient churches, small art galleries, and traditional pubs where locals share stories over pints. The sound of buskers and street performers adds rhythm to the walk, making every corner feel alive. Crossing the River Lee, views of bridges and waterfront buildings offer a scenic perspective of the city. Parks and green spaces provide quiet spots to pause and soak in Cork's atmosphere. Historic landmarks, from Cork City Gaol to St. Finnbar's Cathedral, punctuate the journey, creating a perfect balance between culture, history, and everyday life. Walking in Cork captures the essence of an Irish city that feels both timeless and welcoming. Number 3. Irish craft whiskey making. At Clonakilty Distillery, the journey begins at Clonakilty Distillery, where the rich aroma of malted barley fills the air. Copper pot stills glisten under soft light, hinting at centuries of whiskey-making tradition. Each step reveals the meticulous process behind Ireland's craft whiskey, from selecting the finest local grains to carefully controlling fermentation. Visitors watch as yeast transforms the mash into a lively, bubbling wash, then witness the slow distillation in gleaming copper stills. The process is precise, with master distillers monitoring temperature, timing, and aroma to ensure exceptional quality. Barrels line the aging warehouse, each holding whiskey that develops flavor over years in oak casks. Tasting sessions reveal subtle notes of vanilla, caramel, and toasted wood, highlighting the character that comes from careful craftsmanship. Clonakilty Distillery blends innovation with tradition, creating whiskeys that capture the spirit of Ireland. Every sip tells a story of patience, skill, and dedication, offering a true taste of Irish heritage in every glass. Number 2. Fitzgerald Park. The walk begins at Fitzgerald Park, a lush, green oasis along the banks of the River Lee. Flower beds burst with seasonal colors, while tall trees provide shade for quiet strolls along winding paths. Ducks and swans glide across the serene pond, adding life to the peaceful surroundings. A central feature is the fountain pond, where water jets dance gracefully in rhythm, reflecting sunlight and creating a soothing ambiance. Benches scattered along the pathways invite moments of rest, reading, or simply soaking in the scenery. Families gather near playgrounds, while artists and photographers find inspiration in the park's natural beauty and vibrant landscapes. The Cork Public Museum, located within the park, offers a glimpse into local history and culture, blending education with the serene outdoor experience. Bridges, walking trails, and open lawns make Fitzgerald Park ideal for leisure or exploration. Every step in this green space captures the harmony of nature, culture, and daily life in the heart of Cork. Number 1. University College Cork. The walk begins at Fitzgerald Park, a lush, green oasis along the banks of the River Lee. Flower beds burst with seasonal colors, while tall trees provide shade for quiet strolls along winding paths. Ducks and swans glide across the serene pond, adding life to the peaceful surroundings. A central feature is the fountain pond, where water jets dance gracefully in rhythm, reflecting sunlight and creating a soothing ambiance. Benches scattered along the pathways invite moments of rest, reading, or simply soaking in the scenery. Families gather near playgrounds, while artists and photographers find inspiration in the park's natural beauty and vibrant landscapes. The Cork Public Museum, located within the park, offers a glimpse into local history and culture, blending education with the serene outdoor experience. Bridges, walking trails, and open lawns make Fitzgerald Park ideal for leisure or exploration. Every step in this green space captures the harmony of nature, culture, and daily life in the heart of Cork.